Hey, welcome to my channel. Thought I would pop in with a little voiceover as I unbox these new notebooks from TIEFOSSI. I picked out an A6 and an A5 dot grid notebook and they are looking really stunning. First, here's the A5 bullet journal which features my zodiac Cancer. Every zodiac has a different linen cover color and I'm so glad that mine comes in this beautiful neutral beige. The golden gilded emblem looks minimal but classy, and the paper edges are gold as well with constellation markings. There is an option to personalize the notebook and I got my channel name embossed at the back. Love this font so much. Let's look at the interior of the notebook. We've got the name area as well as a page of gold TIEFOSSI logos. Inside, we have the numbered dot grid pages. I do wish that the dot grids and numbers are of a more subtle light grey. The papers are smooth and they are 160 GSM thick. The journal comes with two very useful ribbon bookmarks, and flipping to the back, there is a paper pocket which is an essential for me for keeping scrap papers. It also comes with a pen holder. And that's it for the A5 notebook. I'll be doing a pen test later, so stick with me. Next up, we have this gorgeous A6 foliage dot grid notebook. It has a vegan leather cover which feels really luxe. Love the texture and the gold foil details. Flipping the notebook open, there isn't any name page, and this notebook has 112 pages of 160 GSM papers. I think the dot grids look more subtle than the A5 book, which is nice. There are two blue ribbon bookmarks, gold paper edges, and even a paper pocket at the back. I'm not sure what I'll be using this notebook for yet, so let me know if you have any ideas. And it's time for the pen test. First up, let's test out some pens and fountain pens on the last page. As expected, there are no bleeding nor ghosting issues. Also, I tried out some brush pens that I use often. Again, there are no feathering or ghosting on this paper. Then I tried out some ink pads. Finally, I decided to challenge the pages with watercolor. The brown had the right amount of water, but this yellow swatch was too watery for the paper and it took a while to dry. As expected, the paper did warp a little, but if the amount of water was more controlled, I think watercolor is still a feasible medium for this notebook. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. And of course, thanks to TIEFOSSI for sending me these beauties. I have left the product links in the description box, so check them out if you're interested. Can't wait to use the A5 notebook for my 2025 bullet journal. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.